Welcome to the fifth video of visualization in Python series. In this video, we will see how to plot a scatter plot by using Seaborn library. So first I will import all the necessary libraries like pandas, numpy, seaborn and matplotlib, pyplot. Then after that, I will create one dummy data frame so if I check for my data frame, so this is how my data frame look like. It have the column like age, income, education, health and satisfaction. So if I plot a scatter plot, how it looks. So before that, what is scatterplot? So scatterplot is a visual way to display and analyze the relationship between the two variable using a dot on the graph. So scatterplot is basically used to understand the relationship, whether the two variable have a positive relationship or a negative relationship, or whether there is no relationship between the two variables. So for understanding the relationship between the variables, we will use scatterplot. So let's see how to plot that. So I will use Seaborn library. So sns dot scatterplot. Within that, I have to give the data is my data frame, that is df. So after that, I have to give the x variable. So scatterplot is a comparison between the two variables. So I need to give the two variables, that is x and y. So I will give here the x as the age. So the age. Then I have to give the y variable. So y, let's say I will give the health. If I use the health as a y variable, let's see what will we get as a plot. So this plot a scatter plot between the health and age. So it show the relationship. For in this case, it has a dummy data set, so it don't have any such relationship. Otherwise, we will clearly observe the relationship between the data, like whether it's a positive relationship or negative relationship. So this is so by using scatterplot, we will get to know the relationship between the two variable. Like in this case, age and health is showing some relationship by using this dot plot. So if I want to plot a scatter plot for the multiple scatter plot at once, so how can I do that? So I will use the for loop for each element in my data frame. So I will use the columns of my data frame. After that, I will plot sns dot scatter plot. Then I have to give the data is my data frame, then the x variable. So I will keep the one x variable as constant, that is, let's say the age. Let's say the age is my constant. So here I have age. Then I will select the y as my I. So for each column, it will take age and each column of this data frame. Then I will plt dot show to show all the graph. So it will show that. So for first, this plot is for age and age. It should have the positive relationship. It don't have any sense. So for the next, we have the comparison between the income and the age. So it have some relationship, a positive relationship. Then the age and education relationship, we can see it over here. Then we have the health and age relationship. Then we have the satisfaction and the age relationship. So this is how we can plot a multiple scatter plot by using this simple code, by using the for loops. So this is about this video. In this video, we learned about how to do a scatter plot. So what is scatter plot? Scatter plot is a plot to visualize the relationship between the two variables, and we will find whether that has any relationship between the variables or not. And we will also saw about how to plot a multiple scatter plot at once by using the for loop. So this is about this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next video.